This is my $18.44 view.
Right, it's $18 view right here, man. I'm about to get all that. Got the little mound.
Oh, yeah.
Feel me? How we moving? We grooving. Got the little boat sound.
And
whatever I got, just put it in.
there we go. We got lucky. Hey, so I am in Seattle this weekend for a really cool seminar called NIS, and I'm going to tell you all about it later. There it is, Mount Rainier in the background. So I found out in class that when we look at a vista and when we increase our field of view, it actually moves our nervous system from fight or flight to the parasympathetic repair mode. Ooh, we're moving. There it is. And I am with a friend that I just met. Say hey.
What's up? What's up?
And the funny thing is like we were dying to make it here before sunset, and we did. It's amazing that it's not raining. And all we can think about is food because we're starving.
Only at the top.
Oh, okay, there we go.